Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log into your DBS Bank mobile banking app. So firstly, make sure you've already downloaded the DBS digital banking app on your device. Then open the application. You'll then be directed to the homepage of the DigiBank. Here, as shown on the screen, you can either sign up for DigiBank or log in. If you don't have an account, sign up for the DigiBank. Since we're going to log into the account, tap on the login button. Now, in order to log into the DBS Bank mobile banking app, you need to provide your user ID. Tap in your user ID here, and just below that, enter your PIN number. If you don't remember your user ID or PIN, you can tap on the Forgot User ID or PIN option down below. After entering all your credentials, tap on the Login button. If you've already provided an access to your fingerprint, you can also log in with your fingerprint. So it is that easy, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment down below.